So we are about to do some Black Friday real-time shopping, you guys. We are at Home Depot and we purchased this drone last year. So this drone right here, Home Depot drone, we have it already on the channel. I believe this is the same one. I will try to post a link and hold up real quick. $20 for this headset right here? Oh, you guys, I'm a sucker. I am a sucker. Let's see, auto pairing up to 20 hours music playback, up to 60 hours standby. So I did purchase, if y'all seen my videos of lately, I purchased some headsets. I'm gonna just put this in the cart. This is a debatable. Oh, boy. I hope I don't get copyright for this. All right, so you have $100 for this tool set. All right, so they are having fun in this Home Depot, you guys, and I can't blame them. You can't blame them, you guys. You gotta have fun at work. We did this already. We reviewed these. We reviewed that. $10 for some heavy-duty straps. I bought these straps last year, $10. Bought this last year as well. This also, you guys, it's almost the same stuff as last year. No big deal. All right, you guys, that one fooled me, but wow, this is a nice little vacuum right here, 2.5 gallons. And I noticed this is a trend that's going on, the little square vacuums or rectangle, whatever you want to call it. Oh, wow. 1 gallon vac. This is nice for the wife. Keep it in her car. It says your choice, $50. So $50 for a 1 gallon vacuum is not bad. I would check that out online because it don't look like this is nice. $100 for this? Oh, a 3 gallon. This one may come in the cart now. All right, you guys, so we have a 1 gallon vacuum for $50, or you could get a 3 gallon vacuum for $100. It sounds like the 3 gallon vacuum might work. Wow, I want this now. It's the only one left right now, and you never know when it's going to be available again. So opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Salute to Eminem. $20. And the Angler comes with it. The Angler alone is like $15. Oh, this is the drill driver that I want. The one that's small is the impact driver, and the drill driver, $100. Oh man, do I want to get this now? They have the atomic set right here, $150, and it comes with 2 batteries. But my thing is, I don't need this because I bought this by itself last year. So I'm just going to be buying this, which is $100. But I can buy this and just give this to somebody as a gift. I'm going to be in this store forever. Ooh. Yo, look at that. 43 piece. 100. And it's not here. Dang, it's not here, you guys. What they have? 18 piece. So you either get 18 piece or you get 43 piece. I'd rather have the 43 piece for $100. I will check this online, see if they get that online. So let me take this over. You guys, this is one heck of a deal, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably one of the deals of the weekend. You see? Same thing. It's the same thing for $23. That will be it, you guys. There's nothing else left to see. If I see anything else, I will let y'all know. All right, you guys, we are leaving the Home Depot. I always say Home Depot, but it's called the Home Depot. So I am leaving. The crazy thing about the DeWalt, these guys are on the DeWalt like military or something, because I grabbed the DeWalt, right? The drill. And one of the employees was like, "Oh, wait. You got to put that at the cashier register." I said, "Okay, nobody told me." Okay. So, it is what it is. So yeah, that will be it. We did get 4 things from Home Depot, and yeah, we will go over it when I get home, and that will be it. And yeah, thank y'all for journeying with me through our Black Friday tour, real time shopping. Catch y'all later.